This is the YOLEO commercial adjustable weight bench. This is their heavy duty weight bench, and I've just got it in the mail here. We're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna show you some of the assembly and some of the unboxing of this guy. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's first look into the box after opening it up. You can see that there is the cushions for this guy right at the top. I'm gonna keep digging here to see what else is in here. All right, and here's a look at all of the metal bits here. You have the whole setup for all of the bolts, and then you have all of the metal parts in here, and everything is well wrapped in bubble wrap in here, so they did a great job packing this guy. All right, so I just got everything out of the box there, and I gotta say everything is feeling really strong so far. A couple of things I wanna show you. Here's the manual, and then if we look in the manual here, there is actually, if you're noticing here, A1, A2, B4. So these identifiers, they're actually on the packaging that each of these pieces comes in. So you just want to make sure when you're taking them out, remember to keep this packaging or leave the part in the packaging until you're going to be starting to assemble it. And then, of course, this is really, really well laid out for each step that you're going to be part of. All right, so I wanted to mention two things here real quick. One of the coolest things is that these are all nylon locking nuts on these bolts here. I really appreciate that they did that. It makes it to where they're not going to accidentally untighten over time. And then they also included these wrenches here that are actually pretty big, and they work very well in the hand. So I'm pretty happy about that. And then this step system here for assembly is super helpful. As you can see in the assembly, step 1, step 2, super handy. This thing is going together very quickly and very easily. All right, so I'm assembling the cushions here, and I'm noticing that they included a pack of extra screws, which I think is phenomenal. It makes it so if for whatever reason, if they weren't included, you have an extra one just in case. So I'm fairly impressed with this. So I am just finishing up the assembly on this guy here, which is the bottom cushion, and it is the final thing I need to do before this guy is all ready. And I gotta say, for the most part, this has been incredibly easy to assemble. All I can say is that this thing so far has been great. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and sit on this guy. Let's see. Rock solid. I mean, it really is rock solid. I am super excited to be lifting on this thing. So if you're in the market for one of these heavy-duty benches, I'm recommending this guy.